Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove watermark from TikTok video. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open your TikTok application and then tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Now open your video. Now if you tap on these three dots, here you will find this save video. Just simply tap on it. If you save your video from here, it will save with watermark. But to save without watermark, what you can do is you have to tap on this copy link. Just simply tap on it, then come back, open any browser, then simply tap on the search bar and search for TikTok video downloader. Then open this one here, and here you just have to paste your video link and just simply tap on this download. Now you have to wait until it starts downloading and then tap on this without watermark. And as you can see, it's downloaded. Now if you tap on open, you will see your video without watermark. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to remove watermark from TikTok video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.